Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you ever wish you could play Clash of Clans right on your computer? No downloads, no fuss. Many players want that bigger screen experience without the hassle of emulators or installations. Well, looking ahead to 2025, the landscape for playing mobile games on PC is evolving. We're talking about a future where launching Clash of Clans directly from your web browser could be the incredibly simple and primary way to play on a desktop without needing anything more than a good internet connection. The core technology making browser play possible is cloud gaming. This isn't about installing Clash of Clans directly onto your computer, it's about accessing it remotely. Think of it like watching a video. The game is actually running on a powerful server somewhere else, and its video output is streamed directly to your browser. You then send your taps and swipes as commands back to that server, making it a truly no-download experience for your device. So how will this work for you? You'll simply open your favorite web browser, navigate to a specific cloud gaming platform's website, and log in. Once you select Clash of Clans, the game will instantly load, running on that remote server. Your mouse clicks will act as taps, and your keyboard could even be used for certain shortcuts or chat. It truly transforms your browser into the ultimate battlefield, offering a seamless and intuitive way to manage your village. The biggest advantage here is that you won't need a powerful gaming PC to play. Since the heavy lifting is done in the cloud, even a basic laptop or an older desktop can handle it. The main thing you'll need is a reliable and fast internet connection. That's crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience. This approach also completely bypasses any compatibility issues and saves all that precious storage space on your local machine, making it incredibly convenient. For 2025, the consensus points to browser-based cloud streaming as the definitive, only way to play Clash of Clans on PC without any downloads. It truly simplifies the experience, making traditional emulator setups or local installations largely obsolete for dedicated computer play. This approach offers unparalleled ease of access, allowing more players to jump into the action directly. Get ready to experience Clash of Clans in a whole new, incredibly convenient way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.